Hey Jessica, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily implement so you can start beating Proco Roof, because if you type in roofing Grapevine, Texas, these guys show up right at the top underneath these directories. There's tons of business that comes with being there, and I'm going to show you how easy it would be to beat them yourself. Now you're probably asking, Devin, why would you even make this video for me? It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back, though, and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, I wanted to say you guys did a great job on your website. It is a beautiful website. I love this custom video you guys have going here. The whole website itself is really clean with really nice animations. Great job as far as marketing so far. What Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, all the stuff that you can read. And the average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words of content. If I paste all of your content in this word counter, you have 732. If you go to Proco, these guys have almost 4,000. Now keep in mind, a lot of them are probably just reviews, so reviews count as duplicate content, so you don't got to worry about getting that. But I would still get yourself up to at least 1,500 words to show Google that you're an authority. And it also allows you to fit in more keywords like Grapevine Roofer. 70 people search that every month. Roofing Grapevine, Texas, 70 people search that every month. Grapevine Roofers, it's another 50. Roofer Grapevine TX, it's another 50. So imagine just those 4 keywords. If you were ranked number 1, you'd be in front of 240 people every single month in Grapevine alone who want to purchase roofing. That would change your business, right? So you want to make sure you have keywords like this inside of your content. If I go and I search your homepage, you can see this word isn't anywhere on your page. So just definitely make sure you fit those keywords inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords. So like this could say roofing Grapevine TX. But that's my first tip for you. My next tip for you, Jessica, is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't need to use it. If you Google backlink checker, you can see this information for free. It says you have 13 websites linking to you, while Proco Roofing has 67 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them, because if these 67 websites are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link in each website back to your homepage the same way. A lot of times it's really easy. Like for example, superpages.com. You just go here, you join, you put a free link, or you put a link in your profile back to your homepage, and that counts as a backlink. So it's really simple. It just takes some time, but once you beat them in content, plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. I've got one last tip for you, though, and that's how to show up here in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number into a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, Jessica, I'd figure out what directories AJ Roofing was in. I put myself in all the same ones, and then I'd add a bunch on top. So if AJ Roofing was in like 150 directories, then I'd put myself in at least 300. That's all I've got for you, though, Jessica. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords in there like, feel free to pause the video and write these down so you can fit them in your content. Roofing Grapevine TX, Roofer Grapevine TX, stuff like that. Then you want to take the websites that are linking to Proco Roof and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in AJ Roofing and Construction. If you follow these 3 tips, Jessica, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go if you decide to go this route. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day. See you later.